Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. Children, today I have come up with an amazing thing for you and I am very eager to see that. Do you? Yes? So let's see. Ting ting ting, here it is. Look what a beautiful box it is, isn't it? And do you know what kind of box is this? It's a magic box. Yes, this is a magic box. And I think so many things are there inside this box. So let's open. But we need to say the magic word to open this box. So what is the magic word? Abracadabra, gili gili cho. Let's open. Wow! Children, look what a beautiful smiley face is there. No, I am not a smiley face. I am a shape. My name is circle. I have no sides, no corners. I go round and round. Really? You are a circle shape? Yes. Okay. So children, I think we need to learn something about circle shape, right? So let's begin. This is a circle shape. Which shape is this? Children, please repeat after me. Circle shape. It goes round and round and it has no sides, no corners. So which shape is this? Circle. Children, please show me these two fingers and draw a big circle in the air. Start. Round and round, round and round. So this is a circle shape. So children, look at the board how to draw a circle shape. Start from a point, then move your hand slowly, go round and round and round, then come back to the same point. So this is the way to draw a circle shape. Now we are going to meet some friends in the shape of circle. So let's meet. Look, what is this? It's a bangle. It goes round and round and it has no sides, no corners. So that means this is circle in shape. Next, this is a coin. This is also circle in shape. It goes round and round and it has no sides, no corners. And now again I am going to show you a small thing. What's this? It's a button. It goes round and round and it has no sides, no corners. So that means it is also a circle-shaped object. Next is a beautiful plate. Children, now trace the rim of this plate. Round and round. So that means the shape of this plate is circle. It has no sides, no corner. So what is the shape of this plate? Circle. And now I am going to show you one more interesting thing. Look, what is this? It's a clock. And observe very carefully. What is the shape of this clock? Circle. It goes round and round and it has no sides, no corners. So that means it's a circle shape. This clock is circle in shape. So children, right now we have seen so many objects that are circle in shape, like bangle, coins, button, plates, etc. These are all circle shaped objects. And now we are going to recite a beautiful rhyme on circle shape. So children, come on, join your hands. Come on, all join your hands, make a circle round. Circle left, circle right, turning all around. Come on, all join your hands, make a circle round. Circle left, circle right, turning all around. Coins, wheels, buttons and rings, all a circle round. Everywhere you go today, circle can be found. Everywhere you go today, circle can be found. Yes, we can see different types of circle-shaped objects around us, like coins, buttons, plates, ring, clock, etc. Now we will be moving on to the activity. For that, we need some clay. So let's begin. Children, first we need some clay for this activity. Then make a roll with this clay like this. Children, try to make the roll yourself. In this way, your fine motor skills will be developed. Now my roll is ready. So let's make a beautiful circle shape with the help of this clay. Like this. My shape is ready. Now children, trace the circle shape along with rhymes. Come on, all join your hands, make a circle round. Circle left, circle right, turning all around. So children, keep tracing along with rhyme. So children, today we have learned fish shape, circle shape that goes round and round, and it has no sides, no corners, right? So that's all for today. See you again on the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.